Hello everyone, welcome to the Security channel. In this video I'm going to talk about a geometry problem. We have a triangle as you see here. In this triangle we have two of these angles as alpha and 3 times alpha. We also know that one of the sides is 3 and the other one is 8, and we are going to find the last side of this triangle, denoted as x here. Let's see how we are going to solve this problem. The trick here is to draw the red line here in a way that we split the 3 alpha angle here into two angles, alpha and 2 alpha. First of all, if we do this, we are going to have the triangle that has alpha for two of these angles. This means that the red line here is going to be equal to the line that I showed here as x minus 8. On the other hand, for the other triangle, we have two angles as 2 times alpha, which means we are going to have equal sides for this triangle. We are going to have two equal sides, and one of them is 8, so the other one is going to be 8 too. Now I'm going to use the sine rule here. Let's focus on this small triangle that we have. We have one angle alpha, and then the side in front of this angle is x minus 8. So we can write x minus 8 over sine of alpha equals to 3 over sine of pi minus 2 alpha. Now sine of pi minus 2 alpha is basically sine of 2 alpha, and then we are going to replace sine of 2 alpha with 2 sine of alpha cosine of alpha. Since alpha cannot be 0, otherwise we are not going to have this triangle at all, we are going to remove sine of alpha from both sides, and then cosine of alpha is going to be 3 over 2 times x minus 8. So we got a relationship between alpha and x here. I'm going to try to find another relationship and then solve the equations. To find the other equation, I'm going to focus on the original triangle. Here I have x over sine of 3 alpha equals to 8 over sine of alpha. And then if you replace sine of 3 alpha with 3 sine of alpha minus 4 times sine cube of alpha, and then because again sine of alpha cannot be 0, remove one sine of alpha from both sides, we are going to end up with x over 4 times cosine squared of alpha minus 1 is 8. This is going to be my second equation, and from now on I'm going to try to simplify both of them and solve them at the same time. So I have two equations. The first one is x over 4 times cosine squared of alpha minus 1 is 8. I'm going to find cosine squared of alpha based on x. If you just rearrange the equation, you are going to see that x plus 8 over 32 is cosine squared of alpha. On the other hand, remember we found that cosine of alpha is 3 over 2 times x minus 8. So basically I need to take power of 2 of cosine of alpha and have it equal to cosine squared of alpha. If we do this, we are going to see that we have 3 over x minus 8 to the power of 2 is x plus 8 over 8. Now if you simplify things, you are going to see that we have a cubic equation. In this cubic equation we have this power of 2 of x minus 8 times x plus 8 is 72, and if you simplify things and try different approaches to solve this cubic equation, you can see that x can be 10, negative 1 plus 3 times radical 5, and -1 minus 3 times radical 5. First of all, x cannot be negative because one of the sides of this triangle is x. Also, x should be greater than 8 because we use this x minus 8 in different versions of the equations. So the only solution that we can have is x equals to 10, and we solve the problem now. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to this channel, watch other videos, and add comments in case you are interested to see a particular math problem or competition. I hope to see you in the next video.